Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you on a little day in the life video. If you're new to my channel, I make videos on homeschooling, day in the lives, curriculum reviews, but also videos on just motherhood and parenting in general. If you're interested in any of that content, make sure you check out my playlist and the descriptions below. So this morning, we started the morning a little different. This is our new Wednesday morning routine now. I just joined Krav Maga, which is an Israeli form of self-defense, which is every Wednesday morning at 10 a.m. So after that, we went to the library because I had some books on hold and I had a couple I had to drop off. And then now I'm making myself some breakfast. All I had was an inshore this morning for a little bit more protein. And now I'm having some bacon and some eggs. And my kids are outside with their aunt having bagel and cream cheese for snack, and I think we're gonna have school outside. We tend to focus better when we're outside. There's less distractions. That's probably the main reason. And it's such a beautiful day today, so I just really don't want to be cooped up inside the house. So, and then we are, after I have my breakfast, we're going to continue on with our homeschool day. We are starting today our new Good and the Beautiful Mammals Science Unit, which there will be a review out. And I can't wait to start it. It's a beautiful unit. I just put up my science wall today. I put my little booklets together, put the rest of it in a binder, just so I can show you guys and get that started for today. So you'll get a sneak peek into a lesson today. Also a review will be coming up if it's not already out. And then we have math, and we have so math, science, Bible, and language arts. We use the Good and the Beautiful Language Arts level 3 right now. And then I have some letter of the week type activities for my preschooler because she's learning her letter sounds and recognition. And she's also learning to read. I'm gonna flip my bacon while I talk to you. Using how to teach your child to read in 100 lessons. So we do it, we don't do it every single day. I'm trying to be more consistent so she doesn't forget the letter sounds and so she gets used to the program. And we're just taking that easy. So yes, this is what's happening today. We're gonna do as much as we can. It's gonna be noon, and I have to go pick up my oldest daughter from school at 3 o'clock. So we'll get done as much as we can. I have a lot on the plan today. We're supposed to do poetry tea time. I have a good 4 hours work of plan, and I don't have 4 hours of school left in the day. So, well, we will do the best that we can. Just gotta get my coffee, get my breakfast, and get our day started. Okay, so Aaron is doing Beast Academy, but since he's not understanding the lesson, I'm gonna go ahead and read over it myself so that I can help him. And Alan's washing her table. G is for glue. Look, glue. See that?
It's a G.
Yeah, glue. Whoa, oh my goodness. All right, so now you do this. Now you take this and you just cover it. Cover it. So we are now jumping into the language arts from level 3 course book from the Good and the Beautiful. And if you guys are familiar with this, it has literature, grammar, usage, punctuation, art, geography, spelling, vocabulary, and writing. And today he has an art assignment. So first we are studying a German artist. And last time he did language arts, he did the map of Europe, and then today he's going to read this to me, and then we're going to create a copy of this. his own version. Oops, I just wrote on your book. Okay, read to me this.
Austria, France, Germany, Italy, and Switzerland. Oh.
Yeah.
On your seat.
So you're gonna sketch it. Okay, come on, Arlen. Then I'm gonna find something for you to do, Arlen. Okay? You see your painting. So Aaron had to try to paint this.
If I did a good painting, will you let me use school now?
We're doing science.
You did a bad painting.
That's very good, buddy. I really like it. And we're gonna keep all his paintings in here to store it. And we're gonna get a black marker. And we're gonna write the date on there. Okay? I'm cuddling with you. We're gonna read Little Red Riding Hood.
You can only see the. When I got it, I first saw it like this, and then I wanted to see what it was, so I flipped it that way. I saw a Little Red Riding Hood and a wolf.
Do you think it's different? Because Luke has a bike.
He's taking out his tongue.
Okay, so Aaron has done math and cool. He's done math and language arts today. Arlen's having another little snack of milk and vanilla yogurt. And it's 2 o'clock now. We have been very focused on our activities. And so now we're gonna move on to science. And after science, we'll probably be done for the day. So he's done musical multiplication, typing, reading. All that was done this morning and at my self-defense class. And then when he got home, he did math and then language arts, which was art today. And then we're gonna do science. So that's 6 things that we've done. Done really good, Aaron, and I think he's gonna earn a screen time token. So we do screen time tokens. So he gets to earn 3 a day. 1 for getting along with his sisters, 1 for, normally it's for fast listening, and then 1 for having a great school day. And this morning he got the 1 that was for fast listening. I gave it to them when they were at my martial arts class, and they were very well behaved and sat there and watched and just allowed me to do my thing. So now we're gonna go on to science. It's gonna be a little slower.
Am I gonna get a screen time token?
Yeah, you've been doing great at school today. You're definitely gonna get a screen time token too, because you really earned it. Because you practiced your letter G's, you painted a picture, we read a book, you washed your bicycle, right? Yeah, you've been doing really good. So try not to get dirty. We have Awana tonight. Now we're taking a snack break.
But that's not a reason to get a screen time.
So yeah, so now we're gonna go ahead and get into this Mammals Science Unit. This is our science wall. Why does this look crooked? And for our Mammals Unit. Okay, and then here is the map and the stickers. And if you're looking for a review, I'm gonna make that for you guys as well, or it's already up. Okay, so here's our Mammals Unit. I put it in a binder. Aaron, we're gonna do lesson number 1. We need a device to play video, so I'm gonna get my, would you go grab the laptop please? It should be charged. A piece of fruit or vegetable, a piece of meat or an image of it, and a whiteboard. So the first part of the lesson is our opening activity that I'm going to read to him. The Bible teaches about the 6th day of creation. And God said, let the earth bring forth the living creature after his kind. God's creations are good. Look at these pictures of mammals and try to see the wonder in each creation as I talk about it. Imagine that you are high in the Rocky Mountains. Next, we're going to do the video. We're going to go to goodandbeautiful.com/science videos. Aaron's been learning typing, so I make sure that he practices every chance he gets. We use we use Keyboarding Without Tears typing program. Okay, now we have access to the Mammals Unit. Now click on Mammals.
From cute and furry to huge and ferocious, God has painted a beautiful world filled with an amazing variety of mammals. Today, there are over 5,000 types of mammals in existence. All mammals are animals, but not all animals are mammals.
All right, he's gonna color this now. So that sheet, the coloring sheet, is for grades K to 4, and then this one is for grades 5 through 8. And this is what that would look like for the bigger kids. So you can do this. You can do this unit when they're little, and then revisit it again when they're in the upper grades so that they can do the in-depth activities. And then that sheet is going to go in your science binder. Okay, so come color it nicely. That's the sound of a boy who's what?
Excited to finish school.
Excited to finish school. Okay, so it's 3 o'clock and he's done school. Normally I go pick up my daughter from school, but my husband, being such a dear, he was home, so he's able to go pick her up. And I'm gonna make her an after school snack. Aaron, I love you. You had a great day. I will give you your second screen time token. Okay? The third one is for getting along with your sisters. And you haven't had the full opportunity to do that yet.
I'm calling Kaylee on my cell phone.
Your cell phone. So I'm gonna go through my screen time jar. That beeping is letting me know, oh, that the pizza's ready. I didn't realize that I put the pizza in there already. Oh, here they are. Like I said, we have a little jar here that has screen time tokens. He's looking for a green one, I bet. Green or black? Green? Alright, so how many is each screen time token worth?
30.
No.
No, 30. It has to be 30.
No. Then you only earn 2. How much is it worth? 20 minutes, right? And how many are you allowed to earn in a day?
3.
3, okay? So you are free from school. You are able to use your screen time token right now if you'd like to, because we may not be home later.
But
It's alone time. It doesn't count with time with Daddy tonight.
how am I supposed to earn my...
You'll have an opportunity. You've been good so far with Arlen, so if it gets too late and you don't get to redeem it, then I will give it to you for getting along with Arlen. But Kaylee's on her way home, and that's the real test. Okay, so here I have my tripod and our school stuff. I'm going to tidy up the schoolroom right now, and when my daughter comes home, she'll eat, and she will hopefully get started on her homework right away. I like to give her half an hour before she does her work. And then, yeah, so that's what's going to happen right now. Okay, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. My daughter doesn't really like to be on camera anymore, so I'm gonna respect that. She's gonna come home and eat. I like to have a nice little meal for her ready when she gets home. Usually I go pick her up and then I will have it ready already, or I'll make it as soon as we get back. She comes home pretty hungry after the long school day, after having lunch at like 11 or 12 o'clock, and probably not eating for the rest of the day. So if you want to know why she's in school, she was homeschooled last year, check out the video in the card above where I explain the changes in our homeschool this year, because she was in homeschool last year, and then we allowed her to follow her heart in wanting to go to school, and she actually loves it. So then for the rest of the evening, we're gonna just hang out. I'll probably make a video another day on our after school routine, but we don't really have a set routine. So like today, she'll come home and relax, maybe play a little bit of Roblox with my son, maybe play on her phone for a little bit, text her friends. Then she's gonna, I like to have her do her homework by 4:30, especially today because she's getting picked up at 6 to go to youth group. And then the little kids and I are going to try out Awana tonight. So that's the plan. And then when we get home, if it's at like 6:30 because it's a school night, we'll shower, have dinner, probably have dinner before we go to Awana. So I'll be cooking soon. And then probably hang out as a family. They like to play video games with their father, get my daughter ready for her bedtime routine, chit chat, whatever. Just hang out as a family. And then I know I'm gonna crash tonight because that Krav Maga self-defense really kicked my butt today, and I have not rested yet. And I'm gonna feel it tomorrow. The soreness is gonna be so real. So that is it. Thank you for watching. If you guys are interested in more homeschool with me or day in the life videos, I have a playlist made just for you guys that you could check. And it has videos like this. I also have motherhood videos, and I have videos aimed towards moms of preschoolers too. So you guys can check out all that. I hope that these videos are helpful for you. If there's anything you'd like to see, post it in the comments below. Check out the good and the beautiful Mammals Unit in the link in the description below as well. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hey!